RingConn Smart Ring Review. Comprehensive health and activity tracker, with no subscription required. Showing features and functionality along with pros and cons of this innovative product. Introducing the RingConn Smart Ring, your ultimate health companion with no app subscription fees. Ensure the perfect fit by utilizing the sizing kit before purchasing. Link is located in description. Enjoy lifetime access to all features with no additional costs. Compatible with iOS and Android. Experience seamless integration with over 40 popular apps, including Apple Health and Google Health Connect. Benefit from an impressive 7-day battery life and magnetic charging case for extended use. Track activity, sleep, stress, heart rate, HRV, and blood oxygen saturation effortlessly. Capture life's moments with the exclusive timeline feature, like having a digital diary on your finger. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, it's durable, lightweight, and perfect for all-day wear. Receive the RingConn Smart Ring USB-C cable, user manual, 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service. The positive aspects of RingConn Smart Ring are no app subscription, comprehensive tracking, 7-day battery life, waterproof, and compatibility. The negative aspects of RingConn Smart Ring are required sizing kit, limited display size, and initial setup. Rated 4.1 stars. See description for full review including pros and cons. Order today for $279. Feel free to send any feedback.